How to fix Windows Update high CPU usage. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Repeat the process for 2 more services. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer service in the list. Right-click on it. Select Restart from the context menu. Similarly, locate Cryptographic services. Right-click on it. Choose Restart from the context menu. Keep in mind that the disabled startup programs will not automatically launch the next time you boot your Windows system. Navigate to the Delivery Optimization section. Ensure that the Allow Downloads from Other PCs option is switched off. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of Windows Update high CPU usage. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. This can help to prevent further issues with the Windows operating system and ensure that it is functioning properly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.